welcome back to Miss Henrik's video demo. Today I'm going to show you how to make gingerbread. So let's look at our mise en place. You're going to need some butter, some flour, sugar, granulated white sugar or brown sugar. You'll need some spices. So we have cinnamon, ground ginger, and cloves. You're also going to need some fresh ginger, 1 egg here, then molasses, and both baking powder and baking soda and boiling water. All right. So first step is you're going to prepare your baking dish. So this is a 9-inch baking dish, circular, and you're going to butter the bottom of this and then place a perfectly cut piece of parchment paper to lay on top. So you just take a little butter. Room temperature is easiest, and just spread it around. You can use your hands or a rubber scraper to coat the bottom and the sides of the pan. Next, you're going to cream the butter and sugar. So cut the butter into small pieces and use the paddle attachment and cream until light and fluffy. And now I'm going to show you how to prepare the fresh ginger. So we want about a tablespoon. And you're going to peel off this outer layer. You can use the paring knife. Be very careful. Or you could use the vegetable peeler. Whatever works best for you. So peel off all this tough exterior. All right, now you take this piece, that should be about a tablespoon, and you're just going to use the microplane zester to grate this ginger. It's gonna kind of build up on the back of this, but you could just use a knife and remove the ginger. Okay, keep going until you have a tablespoon. Okay, to prepare your measuring cup to measure out your ½ cup of molasses, you will need to grease either the dry measuring cup or the liquid measuring cup. Now I'm just gonna take my clean hand with a little bit of butter and this is the easiest way. It's a little messy, but as long as your hands are clean, you'll be just fine. So grease your cup, and then we'll pour in the molasses. It's very thick and syrupy. Now you add the 1 egg, the freshly grated ginger, and your ½ cup of molasses, and very carefully add your molasses. You don't want to get this because it's very messy. You don't want to spill this. Okay. Now mix that all up. So now you're going to sift together the dry ingredients. So the flour and all of your spices, the salt, and your baking powder. So that'll all go through the sifter. One at a time or all together. Okay, set this to the side, and you'll pour out 3/4 of a cup of boiling water. Okay. And then into the boiling water, you're going to mix 3/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. So the 1/2 teaspoon and the 1/4 teaspoon will make your 3/4. Okay, so stir that up. Then over to your mixer, you're going to just a little bit at a time, alternating, mix in the dry ingredients and then the water. So we'll start by just a little bit, the dry ingredients. Careful. Okay, now pour your batter. It's going to be very liquidy, but it will solidify as it bakes. Pour it into your prepared dish. And then this will bake at 375 for about 20 minutes. Okay, here is your final product. You know that it is done when you stick a toothpick in the middle and it comes out either clean or just maybe a couple dry crumbs. To finish this off, you can use whipped cream or just a little dusting of powdered sugar. So you take your strainer, maybe a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and you just kind of lightly dust the top. And there you go. Well, I hope you learned a lot from this video demo. Thanks for watching.